Good afternoon and welcome back to another video. There was a lot of queries and questions from a section of my viewers that how should I polish my black plastic claddings on my car. Whether there is a dedicated plastic detailer or plastic polish for this purpose. Definitely there is. काफ़ी व्यूअर्स का क्वेश्चन था, क्या आपके पास कोई प्लास्टिक डिटेलर और प्लास्टिक क्लैडिंग जो कार में आजकल रहता है उसके लिए कोई आपके पास कोई डिटेलर या पॉलिश है तो उसका नाम बताइए। तो उस काम के लिए मैंने एक डेडिकेटेड प्लास्टिक डिटेलर मंगवाया है। सो दिस इज़ अ डेडिकेटेड प्लास्टिक डिटेलर फ्रॉम द हाउस ऑफ सोनेक्स and it's a very good plastic detailer, and it not only details, it protects also, and it will restore the black color also, and this is also helpful in doing both your interior plastic and exterior plastic. Last time I used a trim restorer, so that was specially prepared for restoring your outer trims, but this one can be used both for your internal and external trims also. So let's try the product. It's around 900 rupees in Amazon, and if you are interested I will give you the links of this product. So let us try. I will first try this portion. I have taken a microfiber pad, applicator sponge pad and a cloth to wipe off excess material. Now let us shake it up. You see the place is becoming jet black. It was having a faded color. And I have chosen a bright sunny day, so that will be helpful to absorb the color fast. Wipe up the excess material with the help of microfiber cloth. Getting dry very fast as it was devoid of any polish for a long time. Apply twice to all areas for best result. See already how glossy and luster has come back to this particular area. As you can see, this area is done. We'll also apply to all these black areas. So you can see this area I have completed. Similarly, I will apply to all the black areas. You can see the original black color has come back, and not only that, it's giving a good dull shiny look, as if a new rubber bead has been added to this particular car. We'll also apply to the other car also. Especially these areas gets dull very fast. Even a car you purchase within 6 months, this particular plastic cladding starts to fade, and it looks awful if you don't add any plastic polish or any black color polish to this particular areas. we have applied to all the black areas. All black areas has been completed. Now we will apply to the air dam area.
अंदर भी ना, ये इसमें भी,
हाँ,
इधर भी.
all the black areas only. So let's move to the other car. You can already see how jet black and glossy it's looking already. It not only polishes, it cleans also to some extent. हाँ, एकदम सफेद जैसा हो गया और ये कार बाहर रहता है. Since this car I keep it outside, so you can see all the plastic claddings has become white color. But in fact the color has faded and it looks a whitish layer has added to that particular black color. Because most of the detailers you polishes you will find are for dashboard and all, but it is very difficult to get a dedicated plastic detailer.
सबको ऐसा करना है. इधर जो जिधर जिधर प्लास्टिक है या ऐसा भी हो गया. अभी
So we have also applied to this particular cowl areas. You can see it was just having a faded look, but now I have already applied this polish and it looks like a new one.
ठीक हुआ है तो
एकदम 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 पक्का नया जैसा लग रहा है अभी.
ना, इधर थोड़ा बाकी है.
तो इस पॉलिश में अच्छा ही काम हो रहा है आपका. जितना भी ब्लैक क्लैडिंग एरियाज था वो सभी हो गया अभी. So you can see the entire car has been completed. All the weather strips, these black areas, this particular weather strip, then this weather strip areas, this particular show of this A pillar. You can see this particular air dam plastic cover, weather strips of this Altros also. All has been taken care of. This is a product that can be applied to the interior also. So
अभी बाहर इतना सारा यूज है.
हाँ,
दोनों गाड़ी
बहुत कम लगता है. ये दोनों गाड़ी में इतना ही खर्च हुआ है. So I will apply the dashboard of Altros.
ऐसे मान से नहीं पता है. इतना नहीं पता है. और
जैसे ना तेल ले
ज़्यादा नहीं तो खत्म है. और ये ऐसे सब ऐसे हम तो हैं अंदर जो है इधर सब ऐसे सब.
So the dashboard area has also been completed. So it definitely does a good job, and it's very easy to apply, and it says it's long lasting. So we'll see after 4-5 days whether it remains intact or not. Normally it says it will give you a 3 months of protection. 3 महीना का protection आपको मिल जाएगा polish. If you have liked this video and if you think this particular product is useful to you, you can buy it from the links in the description box. And so remember, Sonax is a world renowned detailing company, so don't worry about the product's quality. So that's how you apply this particular detailer.